Are you on the horsey? What does the horsey say?
Yeah.
What does the horsey say? You riding your horsey? You like your horsey, huh? Ride, horsey! Ride, horsey! You want up? What does the horsey say?
No.
No. Of course it says name on. What do you think of the horsey, Daddy?
I think the horse is great. She hasn't to multitask what she wants to.
Oops. Oops. Can you say oops?
Oops.
Yeah.
Are you riding? Here you go, horsey!
It's right there, Annika. Finish that.
Ride the horsey!
Yeah.
Smile! Are you smiling? Oh, daredevil. Ride the horsey. Oh, you daring. Wow. Wow, that's a pretty cool stunt you got there. Maybe you'll be ready for the 2012 Olympics.
That might be a little short.
Little Kentucky Derby action.
You're small enough to be a jockey. Hmm?
Whoa!
Okay, here, let me show you where that is.
Can't ride without the noise, Dad. Oops.
Gotcha.
Somebody's a stunt rider in the future. We have a stunt rider in the future. Oh, get back on. Get back on the horse.
There you go.
Whoa. Kicking. That's pretty cool.
And Daddy. And Mommy.
Yeah.
Hey, what does a horse say?
Name.
Can you smile?
Mayo.
Smile. All right.
Here, let me show you.
Okay, bye-bye for now.